In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bitrix24 account. Bitrix24 is a powerful free online workspace that comes equipped with a wide array of business tools such as CRM, tasks management, and project management features, just to name a few, all designed to streamline your business process and enhance productivity. So if you're looking to centralize your work processes, keep your team aligned, and manage your customer relations efficiently, you're in the right place. Getting started with Bitrix24 is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through every step of the way. Let's dive in. First off, let's find Bitrix24. Launch your preferred web browser and head over to a search engine such as Google. Simply type in Bitrix24 into the search bar. You'll see a number of results pop up. Look for Bitrix24 official site with a description that likely reads free online workspace for your business, CRM, tasks. Click on this link to navigate to Bitrix24's homepage. Once you're on the Bitrix24 homepage, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface inviting you to start for free. Your next action here is to locate and click on the Start for Free button. This is your gateway to entering the world of centralized business management. Following this, you'll be taken to a sign-up page where you're presented with two options to create your account. The first option is to register using your email address. If you choose this route, select the field to enter your email. Ensure the email you provide is one you actively use and have easy access to, as Bitrix24 will send a confirmation mail to this address for verification purposes. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to skip the email registration step and expedite the process, Bitrix24 offers you the convenience of signing up using an existing social media account. This might include options like Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Choosing this option will link your Bitrix24 account with your social media, sparing you the need to remember an additional password. This can be especially handy for those who manage multiple accounts and desire a simpler way to keep track. Click on the icon of the social network you wish to use and follow the prompts to authorize Bitrix24 to access your account. Regardless of which option you choose, the process is designed to be seamless and requires minimal effort on your part. Once you've successfully registered using either your email or your social media account, you'll be directed to your new Bitrix24 workspace. Here's where the real fun begins. You'll have access to an array of tools designed to enhance collaboration among your team members, manage your projects efficiently, and centralize your customer relations management all in one place. Remember, the email option will require you to check your inbox for a confirmation link from Bitrix24. It's an essential step to activate your account, so make sure you don't skip it. If you chose to sign up via a social media account, you might be spared this step, but ensure you've granted the necessary permissions during the sign-up process. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created your Bitrix24 account and are all set to explore its plethora of features designed to make business management a breeze. Dive into its CRM to keep track of client interactions, utilize the tasks and projects feature to enhance productivity, or explore the vast suite of tools available at your disposal. As you get accustomed to your new Bitrix24 workspace, don't hesitate to customize it to fit your business's unique needs. Bitrix24 is designed to be flexible, catering to a wide array of business types and sizes. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a sprawling corporation, Bitrix24's scalability ensures it grows right alongside your business. Thank you for following along this guide to creating your Bitrix24 account. We've walked through the key steps from finding Bitrix24 online, initiating the sign-up process, and choosing between email or social media registration. Now the path lies open for you to harness the full potential of Bitrix24 to transform your business processes. Should you have any questions or need further guidance, explore Bitrix24's comprehensive help resources or consider reaching out to their support team. Remember, the goal of Bitrix24 is not just to provide you with business tools, but to streamline your operations, foster team collaboration, and enhance your customer relations. So, take your time to explore, customize, and integrate Bitrix24 into your day-to-day business activities. Welcome to a new way of managing your business efficiently. Let's get started.